Alright guys, we're back. Do you guys remember this one? Got the transmission done, finally. I think the transmission for this car was $300 JDM, under 100,000 miles on the transmission. Look at her. She is dirty. So I have not driven her since she came back, and I am going to go take her to get a bath. While we take her to the car wash, we will give her a test drive. Let's see if she even starts. Let's see. Little ass cars. Or big ass people. Oh, I hear the chime. Oh, yeah. Fucking Honda. Alright. Leroy's gonna follow us. Let's go get a car wash. Oh, she died. Oh, so this one's got a key problem in the ignition. Remember that? I don't know if you guys remember. She would not stay on unless you kind of messed with the ignition. So let's see if that does it for us. Weird stuff with these cars. Had to put the air on. Let's see. Hopefully she doesn't do that on the road. Let's see. Yep. Put the mirror. Here we go. So you guys are riding with me for the first time. Check engine light is on for an O2 sensor, FYI. So, what the? I don't even know how to shut this shit off. Here we go. That is a lot of traffic considering we're supposed to be on quarantine right now. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's do it. I don't like the way she shifts there. Maybe I just wasn't giving enough gas, but she's alright. Yeah, alright, alright. Not mad at her. Alright, boys and girls. She is ready for sale. So this is the update video. Let's get her washed, we're gonna get her washed, get pictures taken, and take it from there. I apologize. That light is blinding to you guys. The sun shines so bright. Call me the sun. But no, seriously, this car, to me, she's good to go. She's gonna be a perfect dollar menu vehicle. Now with the new transmission in her and only 156,000 miles, she's gonna be a rider. You know, she'll definitely make someone happy. I hope this sun is alright for you guys. I really do. There's no way for me to do it where there is no sun. So, at any rate, alright, that's it, guys. Short video, short and to the point. Let's go to the car wash. Maybe hit you up with a little bit afterwards, and that's it. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Alright guys, here's a little treat for you. When was the last time you went through a car wash? Here we go. You guys be able to do this with me. Dun, 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 dun. I remember when I was younger, man, I used to go through the car wash. My uncle used to get his cars washed all the time. And he was a real jokester. So when the rinse would start to go, he would roll down the window on my side. And I was a little kid. It was getting wet, like, ah, my God, the water, ah, it's so cold. And he would laugh his ass off and think that shit was funny, man. But look, she's holding temp. I don't know, let me see if I turn my headlights on. She's holding temp, she's fine. But yeah, so for any of you youngsters out there, you want to play a joke on your passenger, roll the window down a little bit when you get to the rinse cycle, and it'll get them wet, and it's a good time. So I know I'm taking some of you guys way back. Oh look, that's not coming off. I don't know if I'm allowed to hit the little thing, the windshield wipers. What are you gonna do, right? I'm sure she's gonna look way better. So, oh look, she did. They got it. Perfect. Perfect. $7 car wash right here. It's just to knock the dust off. That at that lot that we're at, it'll be back tomorrow anyway, so it doesn't matter. But anyway, guys, that's the car wash. Just, you know, so right here, you roll down the windows a little bit right here, and they'll get it. Usually they'll shoot from the side, and when you roll down that window, it'll shoot in. Oh shit, this motherfucker leaks. Oh, that shit was cold. It got me. All right, any which way. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. Look, it got me. Thank you so much. You hear the air coming through. Thank you so much. See you guys afterward. All right, guys, done with the car wash, soaking wet. But here she is. She doesn't look so bad when she's cleaned up. No Armor All, no nothing. Just straight up dollar menu, guys. Straight up dollar menu. This is what it's all about. Yeah, I don't remember that many dents, but whatever. So guys, listen, thank you so much for subscribing. Appreciate you. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. As always, God bless. Take care of yourselves. Stay healthy. And more importantly than that, take care of your loved ones. We're out of here. Thank you so much.